The latest thermal monocular from Pixfra is the Sirius and its outstanding value. I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks. Let me show you everything that comes in the neatly packaged box. That's Sirius and a double battery charger. There's a USB-C type cable, 2 spare 18650 rechargeable batteries, as well as the one you get in the unit, a shoulder strap for the pouch with sturdy metal clips. Or you could hang the pouch on your belt. Inside this little box, there's a wrist strap and a neoprene neck strap. Both are really easy to attach to the Sirius. Here, this button turns the device on and it'll glow green if you want it to. The 35mm lens on this S635 model is protected by a metal lens cap that you can rotate. The diopter control for the really big comfy eyepiece adjusts from -5 to +3, and of course this thermal is focusable. You charge it here and download up to 64GB of video, and that'll fit a standard tripod. They're overload protected 18650 batteries, and they're really easy to swap, even when you're on the move. So stick the spares in your pouch and you can keep going for hours. The rubber buttons to control it feel refined and give you access to so many functions. We'll definitely do another video to show you. So what else is there? Inside the second box is a lens cloth and info on the monocular's 3-year warranty. This is the Pixfra Sirius thermal monocular. Subscribe for more videos or find out more at tj-focus.co.uk. Thanks for watching.